Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the No Qt platform plugin could be initialized error that prevents an application from starting on Windows. Let's get right into it. First, go to your Windows search bar and type %local app data %. Click on it, and this will open the local app data folder. Now, follow this exact path. Open the Programs folder. Open the Python folder. Open the Python version folder you see. Open the lib folder. Open Site Packages. You may see additional folders here, but make sure you go into Site Packages. Inside Site Packages, open PyQt5. Open Qt. Open Plugins. Inside the Plugins folder, you should see a folder called Platforms. Right-click the Platforms folder and select Copy. Now go back to Site Packages and look for a folder called PyQt5_tools. Open PyQt5_tools. Open the Qt folder. Open the bin folder. Inside the bin folder, right-click and select Paste. You should now see the Platforms folder inside the bin directory. At this point, the error should be fixed. If the application still doesn't start, go ahead and restart your computer. Then try opening the app again. And that's it.